How to follow and unfollow people on TikTok. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, first thing first, you have to launch your TikTok application. As you do so, get logged into your account. You will see a page like this. Now, in order to follow people, what you can do is you can simply search for them. You can also tap on friends here. Now, in my case, I don't have any friends, but you can see various people that TikTok wants me to make friends, but you can simply search for their name. So tap on search bar icon. Let's go ahead and type in a name, tap search. And likewise, tap on users. You will see various people here. If you would like to follow them, you may go ahead and tap on this follow button. And now, once you have followed them, go back onto your profile. Now, in order to unfollow them, tap on this following button. You will see their name here. Tap on following and then you have unfollowed them. Just like so, guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.